This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the phone. Update Realme OS and allow microphone permissions so recording works reliably. Once done, open the built-in phone app. Do not switch to a third-party dialer because the recorder integrates with the system app. Next, tap the three-dot menu or the gear/settings icon inside the phone app to reach call settings. This is where the recorder lives. Make sure you have a stable unlock and no battery saver blocking background services, because permissions and services must run continuously. Now navigate to call recording or recording settings within the call settings screen. You'll see toggles for auto record and for manual recording during a call. Enable auto record if you want every call saved, or set manual so you only record selected calls. Choose whether to record incoming, outgoing, or both. Make sure to select the storage location, internal or SD card, and set retention rules. This prevents running out of space. These options control who gets recorded, and we're finished by saving your settings and running a short test call to confirm the recorder works. After the call, open Recents or the Recordings folder in the phone app, play the file to verify audio quality and confirm both sides are captured. You can share or back up the file to cloud storage. If you don't see recordings, clear the phone app cache, regrant microphone and storage permissions, reboot the phone. Then retest. That single troubleshooting step resolves most recording failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.